What's up everyone, JC here from the Print Shop channel. In this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to export a file from Illustrator to Sheetcam so you can cut it out on your CNC plasma or your CNC router. Easy. So instead of going through all the many softwares and do a lot of stuff, I'll just show you a quick way to do it from Illustrator. Let's go ahead and open a new document here on Illustrator. Here we go. Let's say we have like a 4x2 piece of metal. Let's say that it's a little bit bigger. Let's say like 12x4. And these don't pay too much attention to the design because I will make another videos showing in depth how you can create many designs and how to basically work with Illustrator to do cut files on your CNC plasma. So, but for now, let's say you have like, you need to make like a rectangle like this with rounded corners like that, and then you maybe need a hole here, maybe another hole. This is just for display, you know, to show you how it works. So let's say we got that, we can center it out. As I said, I will have another video on to teach you how to do Illustrator basic designs to cut on your plasma. And let's say you have these, this is in the right top right corner. You can put measurements. Let's say we want it to be 8 by 2.5. Right, and then we have our holes here. Everything is set. So let me change this to different color. Put it black and remove these strokes. Not like the strokes. Sometimes when you put a stroke, it will go twice around the stroke. So you just want to get rid of that. Same here. So let's say you have you already designed your file, you got everything, and I say, hey, what the heck? How am I gonna send this to Sheetcam or any other software that can cut and make G-codes for CNC files? So basically we can export it as a DXF. That's the way I do it. It's pretty easy. Just go file. Instead of saving the file, you have to go to export here. Then in export, you just put your file name. Let's say like test metal piece. All right, so we got that here. And very important, here is the way, here is the trick. Where it says save as type, just go here. Usually is on like that on AutoCAD drawing DWG. So just click here on that name and just browse and look for DXF file. So it's the second one here. Say AutoCAD interchangeable file. Click on that and then click export here on the bottom right. Save it on the folder of your preference. And here, make sure you have the same setting that I have. Pretty important. The scale has to be 1 inches or 1 if you're working on inches. If you're for UK and you're working on millimeters, then just change it out to your measurement units. So, but for us here in the United States, we use inches, so we just keep it on that, and then the rest just keep it default like it is right now. Click OK, and that's it. It's saved. It's already saved. So now let's go here and open Sheetcam. That's the software that I use for my CNC plasma cutter. I have a CNC router too, but it's a different one. It's a Sheetcam. So I use a Carbide 3D. It's a different software. So I will have a bunch of videos on that later, because I know a lot of people need help on that, because there's pretty much not that many, you know, videos on that matter of the Carbide 3D. So I will have some video tutorials on that for everyone to enjoy. So here we have Sheetcam open. It's pretty easy. This Sheetcam that I just opened, this is a computer that I'm using to do the videos. It's not my main computer. My main computer have like the paid license for Sheetcam, so I'm able to do all my tools and everything. But on this one, I don't have any tools, so you will see it's pretty empty. But you will get the idea on how to just open it up. And this is the simple way. Just go to File, go to New Part. Say if you want to import it into this project, just click yes. Go to your folder, it's right here, test metal piece. Just click open. And here in this tiny window that pops up, make sure you have it like this. Mine is on metric, and in here on the scale, it will say 1:1. If you have something different like this, like inches, it will change it to 25.4, so that'll make like 10 times bigger file. So make sure it's on metric, that your scaling is 1:1. And then here, if you want to center on your sheet, or you want on the left corner, I usually use the bottom left. So everything here, just give it that, click OK, and here's your file on Sheetcam. Now here you can go to your tools. I don't have any tools right now, as I said, see, no tools available, but you can here, then you can set all the cut lines and everything and create your G codes. So basically that's an easy way to export a DX file, create a DX file right from Illustrator, because I know a bunch of people use Illustrator to do graphic design, and then they get into CNC cutting, and then they know they have to learn a new software to design files. But as long as you keep like a 2D design files, like, you know, like parts, CNC, plasma, metal art, stuff like that, I go right from Illustrator. It's easier than going to different software or learning a new software. So I also will have a bunch of different videos showing you how to create files, how to scan something on a scanner, or take a picture of it and trace it on Illustrator, so you can have replicate files, or replicate parts that you need to cut on your CNC machine. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get notifications when we get those videos up. Thank you for watching, and I catch you in the next video.